Okay, I've mixed it up a little bit thinner. I'm going to try to put it on there and see how it goes. And see if I've got the mixture on there just right now. And it seems to be going on, you know, a little bit nicer. Oh, you just have to try it out. You know, just try it out and see. I'm kind of liking that a little bit more. I've just got my 3-inch knife in here just to see what I can do with that. You can lift it up like that too if you want, you know, depending, but see, the rest of this doesn't have that, so I guess I better not do that. Probably should move my little stool. I'm reaching too far. I'm reaching too far with it. Light touch. Very light touch. Okay. Just try a randomness, and if you're not getting everything, know that you can get the rest by filling it in. See, there's no way you're going to put just a little bit with this unless you grab just a little bit on the tip and kind of dab that, which you can do that, or you can use your 3-inch. And just add it where you think necessary. Transfer back over to the 6 and flatten it down. Maybe go a couple different directions as you're going. Or you get a randomness on your ceiling. There's my finished patch on the ceiling. That really didn't take that long, and it's giving me the randomness. You can't really see the existing ceiling's randomness as much because it's that color paint and it's way up there, and if I zoom it in, you really aren't going to see it. And it's going to look slightly different because all my patches are wet. Okay? That's pretty much how your ceiling is going to be when it's wet. Now, if you have a question about how thick to put it on, you could always do one little patch, let it dry, take a look at it. You know, it depends on you and your schedule, how long it's going to take you, and how long you have to do all your patches. Or you do it to the best of your ability, and and when you get all done with your project, you're going to say, oh, what should I have done? I should have added a little bit more water into my mix. I should have sanded a little bit. I should have sponged around the edges first on the patches. Now I see what Joe says because the texture looks good, but I can see the surrounding area of each patch or whatever. That's just how it's going to be. It's an ever learning process when you do things yourself. But you know what? It's fun. It saves you money. You can do it yourself, and the more you do, it's just the better you'll get. Now here's what I wanted to show you. You see, I only used a little bit of sheetrock mud, and I'm gonna put this stuff right back in here. I could use it for next time. Got a little bit of water added into it, and that's okay. It's fine. I don't have to get every little bit out of here, but I can get some of it. Then I can rinse this out, or I can let it dry, scrape it out. After it dries, be ready for next time. Okay, but what's the trick I wanted to show you on this? Haven't shown you yet. I'll show you in a minute. Coming up.